And special thanks to our friends at Gomo who were nice enough to send us this 50 pack of golden rolling cones. So inside of this nice little carrying case is the king size golden rolling cones. These are a bit bigger. So as you can see here, take one of these. These are a little longer. These are the king size cones, 109 millimeter. So inside of here is 50 of these golden cones to roll your tobacco. As you can see, they have a nice leaf on them, nice golden look. They look a little bougie, but honestly, I like that. I mean, it makes it look fancy while you're smoking your tobacco. Now, also down in here is a golden packing spoon, which is this right here. This is a little made out of metal packing spoon that you can take your tobacco with, put down into your pre-rolled cone, and use this to help pack your cone. Absolutely love that they include this because this really can come in handy when you're trying to roll your cones. And as I mentioned, you get 50 of these in here and they truly look very, very nice. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this 50 pack of king size 109 millimeter pre-rolled rolling cones with golden packing spoon. Thank you all for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.